It is 7:52 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm in Southwest Florida. And I have been live for nearly an hour. You work at the movie theater podium and you love it? I love that. Do you get to see free movies? Look, if I could be a barista and pay my bills, like if I could be a barista full time and that was enough of a job to pay the bills, I would. I loved being a barista. And I loved being the opener. Like I want to be there. I want to be the first one in the morning, set everything up for everyone. I love that part. When I was a bartender, I did the same thing. But unfortunately, baristas do not make enough money to pay the bills. So that is not a possibility. Good morning. I guess I could do it as a hobby. Good morning. Thank you. Why are we still here? I don't know why you're here. I'm just here to chat. Or did you mean Earth? Why is the Earth still here? That is a good question, honestly. After all we've put it through. No money to survive. Welcome to America. Well, you can find me everywhere as Angela Ray of Sunshine. Same name as here. And if you click on my profile, you can follow the other links to all the other places. I'm not sure why you're telling me your birthday. I mean, I'm assuming that's your birthday. And Seven Spirit, I literally have already muted you once. Like, that is so weird. That is so weird. Yes, it's been miserably hot. It has been miserably hot. You're in Hollywood. That's like near Miami? Good morning. No way I'm reading all this. I'm trying my very best. I'm trying. You're in St. Pete. Do you live there or are you just on vacation? I live in Southwest Florida. Thank you. You live there? Nice.